Hey everyone, to kick off the October SAT Math series, I'm going to go over one of the level 3 questions from the SAT question bank. So right here they're saying that the length of arc ADC is 5 pi. This is 5 pi. They say that x equals 100. So they're asking for the length of arc ABC, which is this right here. So one relationship you should know is that if an angle is coming off the center like this, then the angle equals the arc. So we can set up a proportion. So 100 is to 5 pi. And we know that a circle has 360 degrees. So we do 360 minus 100 to figure out the length of arc ABC right here. So that equals 260. And now all we have to find is the actual arc length. So now we put 260 here, set up a relationship. Then you multiply by 2.6 on this side to get from 100 to 260 to the same on the other side. And then when you do that, you should get 13 pi, which is B. So right here, they're telling us a lot of the side measurements. So let's just draw it out. So they say right angle RST is given, so RST. They say RS is 20, ST is 48, TR is 52. And they say that RST is similar to angle or triangle UVW. So right off the bat, we should know that R corresponds with U, S to V, T to W. So we don't even really have to draw another triangle. So they're saying, what's the value of tan W? So in similar triangles, if they're similar, they have the same tan, sine, and cosine values. So what's W corresponding to this triangle? Well, W here, T here, T. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we have opposite of angle T is 20, adjacent is 48. 20 by 48, which equals 5 by 12, which is B. So they're saying that angle OAB is 30. And you can recognize that this is an isosceles triangle, so this will also be 30. And then a triangle has 180 degrees, so you can do 180 minus 60 to find AOB, which is 120. So AOB equals 120. And then they're saying that if length of OC is 18, so right here 18, this looks like a radius because it's halfway up. What's the length of arc AB? So length of arc AB, that's just equivalent to the radius times theta, which is the angle. And right now they're saying that this is 120, right? So I'd recommend converting it into radians because all the answers are in radians. So you do 120 times pi over 180. Then you simplify this down, it becomes 2 pi over 3. And now that's just your theta. Now you multiply that by your radius, which is 18. So times 18. And then you should get B. Right here, they're saying that if P% is the percent decrease in the annual snowfall from 2003 to 2007, what's the value of P? So in this whole graph, we're going from 03 to 15. So from 2003, you can see that we're at 40. 2007, we're at 10. So we're using the percent change formula here, which is new minus old over old times 100. So the new value here would be 2007, old value would be 2003. So using this formula, we do 10 minus 40 over 40 times 100, which is negative 3 by 4, which is negative 75%. And they're asking for a percent decrease. And if they're just asking for the value of P, we just go with 75, which is our answer. So whenever we're dealing with percent questions, whenever they say is, you should be thinking of converting that into the equal sign. So we just got to put this into text to numbers. So 210 is P% greater means 1 plus P over 100, then 30. They're asking for P, just do some algebra, solve for P. Divide by 30, divide 30. 7 equals 1 plus P by 100. Subtract 1 from both sides. 6 equals P over 100. Do some cross multiplication. You get P equals 600.